It's up 0.08 from 0.86 in 2017 Q2. The institutional investor held 30,140 shares of the beverages production and distribution company at the end of 2017 Q3, valued at $3.98 million, up from 26,237 at the end of the previous reported quarter. 82 funds opened positions while 285 raised stakes. KSS was reported by the Lincolnian Online and is the property of the Lincolnian Online. Gargoyle Invest Advisor LC holds 0.13% or 7,879 shares in its portfolio. Signature Bank Nasdaq SBNY shares ended at $159.83 with 0.7 mln shares exchanging hands. Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS for the trailing 12 months paying dividend with a payout ratio of 58.23% to its shareholders. Macquarie Group Limited holds 30,900 shares. Blair William & Eel holds 0.04% or 115,884 shares. The average true range ATR was fashioned to allow traders to more precisely evaluate the daily volatility of an asset by using straightforward calculations. Guardian Life Co. of America owns 386 shares. 20 are owned by Saratoga Rec. Telsey Advisory Group maintained Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS rating on Friday, May 13. Investors' sentiment decreased to 0.75 in 2017 Q3. The earnings yield for Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS is 0.085664. Jubal Brady, 50,357 were accumulated by BNP Paribas Asset MNGMTHLDGSSA. KSA Capital Management LLC, which manages about $287.50 million and $19.44 million U.S. long portfolio, decreased its stake in Berry Global Group Inc. NYSE Berry by 90,000 shares to 10,000 shares, valued at $567,000 in 2017 Q3, according to the filing. Access it here: 0011403611800271. Schroeder Investment Management Group now owns 1,725,757 shares of the company's stock worth $79,282,000 after acquiring an additional 151,357 shares in the last quarter. Kohl's Corp stake is new for reporting person. According to today's trading volume, Kohl's Corp.is above its 20-day AVG volume, with the stock showing above abnormal volume in the past 150 days. 63 funds opened new Kohl's Corp stakes, 222 increased positions. There were 94 that closed positions and 192 reduced them. Investors generally keep an extensive variety of technical indicators at the disposal for completing technical stock analysis. Some are Cumberland Partners Limited, Flip and Bruce. Citigroup owns 0% invested in Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS for 15,809 shares. United SVCS Automobile Association holds 0.02% of its portfolio in Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS for 149,373 shares. NJ Landscape Capital Management LLC have 1.04% of its portfolio for 165,634 shares. Her Majesty the Queen in right of the province of Alberta, as represented by Alberta Investment, owns 350,600 shares. Kohl's Corp is 2.35% of its portfolio. Kohl's Corp. KSS analysts on average have given a price target of $48.72 on KSS stock. During the same period in the previous year, the business posted 80 cents EPS. Equities research analysts anticipate that Kohl's Co. will post 4.08 EPS for the current fiscal year. KSS's profit will be $243.61 million for 11.64p if the $1.45 EPS becomes a reality. The company reported 70 cents earnings per share EPS for the quarter, missing the Zacks consensus estimate of 72 cents by 2 cents. The price-to-book ratio for Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS is 2.166456. Diageo plc NYSE DO has risen 12.82% since January 20, 2017 and is uptrending. It has underperformed by 9.54%. The S. Nomura Holding invested 0% of its portfolio in Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS. Mount Lucas Management LP, who had been investing in Kohl's Corp for a number of months, seems to be bullish on the $11.37 billion market cap company. The company's stores and website sell moderately priced private label and national brand apparel, footwear, accessories, beauty and home products. State Street Corporation has 0.03% invested in Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS. When we look at the analyst recommendations of the stock, the company has one rating given by analysts where 1 stands for strong buy and 5 stands for strong sell. Therefore 0 are positive. According to these analysts, the low revenue estimate for Kohl's Corp. is $6.32 billion and the high revenue estimate is $6.8 billion. Current price places the company's stock 57.62% away from its 200-day simple moving average, 33.48% away from the 50-day average and also 17.89% away from 20-day average. Apple Inc. had 351 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to Rating. The firm has buy rating given on Tuesday, January 16 by Robert W. Baird. JP Morgan upgraded the stock to overweight rating in Friday, January 12 report. Up to Thursday, August 31, the company rating was maintained by Jefferies. The firm earned neutral rating on Friday, May 5 by Atlantic Securities. Finally, Gordon Haskett raised Kohl's from a hold rating to an accumulate rating in a research note on Thursday, November 9. For Kohl's Corporation NYSE KSS, stochastic % value stayed at 93.35% for the last 9 days. Telsey Advisory Group has outperformed rating and $44 target. The firm has underperformed rating by RBC Capital Markets given on Thursday, January 5. Keith Bruyette